Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my faux locks. These are crochet braids, but you guys, they don't look like it. They're so cute, so affordable. You guys know I'm always saying I'm trying to save you guys a coin. I'm trying to save myself a coin, okay? I'm also going to be showing you guys how I put my faux locks in a bun. You guys, these are just super cute, you guys. If you guys want to see how I did my crochet faux locks, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is my natural hair. I did start with my hair in a bunch of box braids. So for starters, I'm going to show you guys the hair that I used. So I did use the Freetress Goddess Locs in the color 1B, and this is what it looks like here. A lot of hair comes in this, you guys. It was $13.99 at my hair store, which is kind of pricey for crochet hair, but you have to think a lot comes in here. So I bought 3 packs, and I ended up using a pack and a half for my entire head. Like, my whole head is a pack and a half of this. This is what I have left of the second pack of hair. So this is what they look like. They do have curls on the end, so you don't really need a lot of tools for this style. Again, just put your hair in box braids, pretty small ones. You don't want them too big. So I'm going to take my lock, and it does have the hoop, the pre-loop at the top. I just like to put my finger in it and make the hole stretch out a little bit like that. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy crochet hook, and I'm going to go ahead and loop that through the base of my braid. So I'm just going to take the hoop and stick it through the base of my box braid. Okay, so then you have it in there. The hook should be in there. And then I'm going to take my faux lock, and I'm going to hook that on, close it, and then I'm going to pull that through. It should look like this. So you should see the dread is now through your box braid. So then you're going to take this off. Go back to that hoop. So I have my fingers back through the hoop. So I'm going to take the dreadlock and the box braid. So I'm going to put both of them in my other hand. I'm going to pull both of them through the lock like that. And then I'm going to take my box braid over here and the lock, and I'm going to pull it and make it pretty tight. Honestly, it doesn't really get that tight. So this is what you should have. So now you should have your lock and your box braids. And it's pretty loose, so you don't have to worry about the lock going anywhere. It's pretty much stuck. Okay, so this is the part where you want to cover this braid up. Okay, you don't want the braid showing, you want to cover it up. So what you want to do is you want to just take your finger, you want to flatten out the dread. So basically pull the dread apart, but you don't want to pull it too far because it just won't wrap right. So you just take it and you just begin to wrap it around. And as you wrap, again, take your finger, basically pull the dread apart and keep wrapping. But you want to not only pull as far as you're wrapping. So like I said, take this, pull it around, so pull it straight, so now there's no dread, just looks like connect lawn, okay? And you just wrap that around. And then you just keep wrapping. You want to keep it pretty tight. And as you guys can see, there's the lock, and my braid is almost all the way in there. I just gotta keep on going all the way to the end. And this literally takes like maybe, it took me an hour and a half to wrap all of my dreads, which is really quick. The long part is actually putting your hair in box braids. So I do suggest, if you have someone to help you, to have them help you so it can go quicker. I did have Kiana do the back of my hair, so it didn't take me as long to do my box braids. And as you guys can see, I'm getting to the end of my lock, and then I like to pull on it just to make sure that the end of my braid is completely in there. And then there you have it. You cannot see my braid at all. Like, there's no braid peeking through here. It's like completely just a dreadlock, and it's really cute. And I just it's so cute, it's so perfect, so easy, and just so affordable, because you guys know I hate paying people to do my hair. So I'm going to show you guys again on this one. This part of my hair is where like the heat damage was. That's why this part of my hair is a little short, but you know, gonna make it do what it do. So again, take your lock, just one, and you want to stretch it out a little bit, not too much because you don't want to pull the dread apart, but stretch it out a little bit. Go ahead and take your crochet hook, and then you're going to pull it through. And I know there's like a million tutorials on on YouTube on how to do this, but I feel like everyone does it a little different. So again, take your lock and your box braid and you want to pull it through that hoop and tighten it. And then you want to begin to wrap. And the key to not butchering this, again, is not stretching out the hair too much. Like, you really want to pull it just enough that you're going to wrap with at the moment. Because if you pull too much, the hair will be all wonky at the ends. And then you just keep wrapping. And now I'm all the way at the end of my box braid, and I like to pull it just to make sure the end of my box braid is in there. And there you have it, you guys. It is literally that easy. And then you have a head full of faux locks. And you guys, these are lightweight. Like, I've had actual like individual locks where you box braid it and then you wrap it with like the, you know, with the whatever type of hair. And those could be heavy. These are super lightweight, you guys. And look at them. Super lightweight, super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. So now I'm going to show you guys how I put these in a bun. Like I said, I am going to be wearing these in a bun literally every day because I just don't want hair on my neck, you guys. So I got these really cool hair ties yesterday when I was in LA. So they're really big. I don't know how to describe these, but they're really stretchy, really sturdy. They're ouchless because they don't have any, you know that metal thing that comes on hair ties? This doesn't have that. So I'm going to use this to put my hair up. So I'm going to flip my head over and I'm just going to pull all my locks to the front like that. So you see the hair ties right here, but I like to double it because I like it to be kind of tight. This is such a weird angle, you guys. I am sorry, I suck at this clearly. Okay, so then you have like a Busta Rhymes ponytail. So if you want to mob out like this, you can, because this is cute too. But I'm not. I'm going to put these in a bun, but first I just want to pull the sides up to make sure everything is everything. So I take them all at once, and then I just start wrapping them around each other. And I like to keep the curls in. Like, if one or two fall out, cool, but I don't really want the ends out. Come on, bun. You guys know, like, some days there's good bun days and there's other days where it just does not work out. And you basically just want to keep tugging it until it looks like you want it to look. So I'm not going to use any bobby pins because honestly, I don't know how to put them in. It's like I put them in and they don't stay like I want them to stay. So I'm going to take this here rubber band. I love these, you guys. These are the ones that come on like connecting like on braiding hair. Yeah, these come on the braiding hair and I always keep them because they're so stretchy and they're black and they're just bomb. So I just take one of these and just put it around the base, and then any loose curls or anything, I just go and stick them behind the rubber band. And there you have it, you guys. My cute bun. I just think it looks so cute. And especially with these earrings. I just think this style is just effortless and cute. And I just feel cute with it, to be honest. And guess how much it cost me? Just 3 packs of hair. Could have been 2. Okay? Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I didn't do a sucky job at explaining this. I suck at explaining things, but you guys get the picture. Super cute, super lightweight, super easy, and then most of all, you guys, super affordable. You know, you guys know I'm always trying to say, I'm trying to save you girls a coin, okay? And I'm all with, you know, DIYing anything, okay you guys? So these are super cute, and they don't scream like she got crochet braids because the individual ones, you know, because crochet can look a little crochet, you know, it can look a little crazy sometimes, but this is really cute, you guys. I love it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know down below. Any other hairstyles you guys want me to try or you guys want to see on my channel, let me know because I'll be sure to get on it. If you guys want to see this makeup look, let me know. This is like my everyday makeup look. It's literally just one eyeshadow. But if you guys want to see it, let me know down below, and I'll be sure to get that up for you guys as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.